The guy just sent me a video. Wow. Downtown. Man. A guy is losing it, throwing signs in the streets and screaming at the top of his lungs. Man. Let's get to something really cool. Dr. Campbell, how are you?
How are you?
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Fantastic. Introduce yourself to our audience, please. Let's talk. This is great stuff. I love this.
Sure. My name is Vanessa Campbell, so I am one of our directors of clinical pharmacy here at UPMC HealthPlan. So I'm a pharmacist by background. I'm super excited to be here today, so thanks for having me.
God, tell us about this program. I love it, and I love the opportunity for folks.
Yeah, absolutely. So October is American Pharmacist Month, so it's a great time to recognize and celebrate the essential role that pharmacists play in advancing healthcare and improving patient outcomes. So in honor of this important month, UPMC HealthPlan is proud to launch its first ever Pharmacist Care Day. So it's a community event that is focused on designing to spotlight the impact of pharmacist-led care and promote healthier lives. So this Wednesday, October 8th, we're actually hosting a community-wide Pharmacist Care Day, which will be a free event on helping people stay well this fall and winter at our neighborhood Eastside Center. And we're actually going to be offering complimentary flu vaccines, a wide range of health screenings, including blood glucose, bone density, cholesterol, height and weight, and blood pressure screening. So it's really, really exciting.
It's also critical. And quite frankly, we've seen a lot of angst among pharmacists because of the workload and the stress. It's a very, very stressful job these days, is it not?
Very stressful. There's a lot going on, as we know, in our country right now. And one of the things that I think that's super exciting about this event is we're actually going to have licensed pharmacists available at this event.
Nice.
So they're actually going to be there able to answer questions about medications, including drug interactions, safe disposal about medications, how to properly dispose expired meds. So patients will actually get the time to sit down and talk with pharmacists, about anything that they want, or do a free med review. So they don't need to be a health plan member to attend this event and receive services. And the exciting part is the flu vaccines and health screenings will be administered at no cost, regardless of insurance status. So if they are insured, please bring your health insurance ID card to the event, but they do not need to have health insurance in order to attend.
It's not UPMC, but it's related. So Giant Eagle took on all these new, doctor, thousands of new clients, customers, because of Rite Aid's closing. Crazy. And I'm in line. This is a true story. I'm in line. They're waiting for from prescriptions last week, and they're literally throwing the prescriptions to each other. And one of the pharmacists grabbed me and said, "We need help. Our jobs are so stressful." It's a very, very, very important and stressful job, is it not, doctor?
Yeah, and honestly, I give my colleagues so much credit.
Yep.
And honestly, through this event, I think that, you really will see, how much impact that pharmacists have on their communities. Just because a lot of my team actually personally will be there. And so I think that this will really hope to inspire the ongoing recognition and appreciation for pharmacist professionals, and what we really bring to our community every day. So just like what you were talking about, I think that this really echoes like the commitment that we have to our communities and our patients.
Here's the other thing. Not to get political, but there's a lot of crap out there about vaccines. And the truth is, doctor, that 25,000 people die some years who don't get the flu shot. And this is free, and you can talk to the pharmacist while you're there, can't you? Right?
Yeah, because even healthy people can still get the flu and spread the virus to others. So that's why you can actually go to the CDC website, and the CDC actually urges everyone 6 months in order to get an annual flu shot. So the flu vaccine and health screenings are going to be offered to everyone, adults age 18 and over, at this event. And if you're unable to make Wednesday's event, as a reminder, flu shots are still available at your doctor's office and participating urgent care centers or local pharmacies. And it's always just important to remember to get vaccinated. And if you have any questions, you can come visit me personally, who will be at the event on Wednesday and can answer any questions and would be happy to speak with you.
Dr. Vanessa Campbell, UPMC HealthPlan Director of Clinical Pharmacy. Hey, the fact of the matter is that it's free, and lay it out for us again, the event and the time, so people know. It's great stuff.
Sure. So it's at UPMC's neighborhood event center on the east side. It just had opened. It's going to be from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Wednesday, October 8th. And again, it is a free event open to anybody. So not just UPMC Health Plan members. If you have insurance, please bring your insurance ID card to the event, but it is at no cost, regardless of insurance status. So flu vaccines, health screenings, there will be pharmacist counseling if you have questions about your medications. We're going to have all kinds of really cool, giveaways and events there. Mr. Yuck will be there. So it's going to be a really, really fun day. And lots of pharmacists and other health professionals there to answer all of your questions about medications, vaccines, and other health benefits.
Wow, Mr. Yuck, that closed the deal for me, Vanessa. Thank you. It's great stuff.
Thank you so much for having me today. I really appreciate it and appreciate the opportunity.
Oh, it's important. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
So I wanted to do this because there's so much angst out there about vaccines. And, man, this flu thing, don't blow it off. People die. Look at the numbers. Average 30,000 people die because they don't get the flu shot. Seriously, average. But the number has spiked to as high as 50,000. It's just paramount that you get the damn flu shot. And especially the seniors. Look, that weirdo RFK Jr. has a lot of you folks saying vaccines aren't any good, they cause this, they cause that. Please, do me a favor. Call the doctor or doctors that you trust, that you have spent your life trusting, and ask them, what's good for me? What's good for my kids? What's good for my family? If you quit getting the flu shot, and if it happens in great numbers, a significant number of Americans will die. And by the way, folks, in a typical year, unvaccinated kids who don't get the flu shot, about 1,000 of them die. It's insane. Please don't buy into the hype. Please ask somebody you trust. Please ask a doctor you believe in. Please, please. It saves lives.
Listen to KDKA Radio on the Odyssey, iHeartRadio, or TuneIn apps.